Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made these delicious barbecue meatball wraps. I'll first start by dicing half an onion. I want to chop this really small, as fine as possible. Next, I've got 2 slices of bread that I've made into breadcrumbs. I'm going to soak the bread in milk. I just want enough milk to soften the bread, not so much milk that the bread is floating in the milk. I've got 400 grams of minced beef, and I'll add to that 2 cloves of crushed garlic. I'll add a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1½ teaspoons of mixed herbs, 1½ teaspoons of dried parsley. And now I'll add the finely chopped onions. My hands are nice and clean, and I'll give everything a good mix. After mixing in all the herbs and spices, now I'll add the soaked breadcrumbs. After mixing, I shape into balls. I managed to get 12 meatballs. I place them on a baking tray and cook in the oven at 150 Celsius. So now that my meatballs are thoroughly cooked, I'm going to put them in the wraps. If you'd like the recipe for the barbecue sauce, the link will be in the description, or you can tap the card at the top of the screen. So I'm just going to smother a large wrap in my barbecue sauce. Then on top I'll place 3 of the meatballs. Then I just pour some more barbecue sauce on top. Then a handful of grated cheese before folding. Then I just grab a baking tray, sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top, and put it back in the oven until the cheese is lovely and melted. Don't forget to click the link for that delicious smoky tangy barbecue sauce recipe. So there it is, barbecued meatball wraps. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.